Hi guys, today I will explain how to delete wallet in Trust Wallet. This process is really simple, and the first thing is open your application. Once it will be open. This one is the home page of my Trust Wallet application. Now if you want to delete your wallet, then first you have to get access to that wallet which you want to delete. And for getting access, you have to click on the setting icon, which is on the left top. And on the top, you can see the option of wallet. Click on it. And there you can see I have two wallets, and I want to delete one of these. So in order to delete, you have to click on the three dots, whichever you want to delete. The next thing is take a look on the left top. You can see a delete icon, just click on it. And here, you have to tap on the option delete. But before deleting, make sure you want to delete. So once you confirm, click on delete. And here, I need to enter the code. Maybe due to security purposes, the screen will be blank. But when you will do it on your mobile, then you can see everything clearly. So, let me write my code. And as you can see, this wallet has been deleted successfully, and it was the way by which you can delete wallet in Trust Wallet.